Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
टीजर को काफी कमाल का, मोर देन 4 लाख व्यूज आए थे टीजर को ही, एंड गाना काफी कमाल का लग रहा है. What would you like to say? How excited you were for this launch, and after the teaser got out, tell us something about the
I think our leading lady should lead with the answer.
Yes.
Start.
How was the feeling? The feeling was surreal. अभी तक समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि ये एक्चुअली हो गया है. ये एक्चुअली हो गया है. So अभी तक we are like lapping around my head entire experience, but the shooting was amazing. सब कुछ बहुत एकदम easily और smoothly हुआ था. कुछ shoots scenes काफ़ी tough थे मेरे लिए because especially the raining scene, the starting of the song where I'm coming out of the car, तो वो वाला scene बहुत मुश्किल था. बारिश में इतनी ठंडी में शूट करना काफ़ी difficult था मेरे लिए, but yes, the entire experience was a learning experience. Plus I had such great people on set. Our director Mohit sir and Nishant, सबने बहुत मतलब मदद की, सिखाया. तो वो experience एक learning experience ज़्यादा था rather than like a big thing is coming out. ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा. But अब वो लग रहा है, अब वो जब पोस्टर आ गया, टीजर आ गया, अब समझ आ रहा है कुछ बड़ी चीज़ हो रही है.
निशान, आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे गाने को लेकर?
गाना जब मुझे पता चला कि जवान तूफान करके गाना है एंड मीट ब्रोस वांट टू हायर मी अगेन, एंड फॉर मी इट वाज लाइक a very big deal because like I said कि मेरे लिए it was always a dream to work with Meet Brothers, and doing a second song with them, that too so quickly, you know, it makes me feel really nice and really happy about myself. Talking about the song, शिमला में हमने शूट किया, it was very very cold, लेकिन गाना इतना अच्छा था and Yashita did such a good job, and I have to mention that जो बारिश का ही बता रही है वो जितना आपको easy लग रहा है नहीं, इतनी ठंड थी वहाँ पे कि लिटरली लोग कांप रहे थे, और उसमें ये भीगी हुई अपने शॉट्स बार बार 2-3 घंटे तक पूरा भीग के शॉट्स ले रही थी, एंड मुझे लिटरली तरस आ रहा था इसके ऊपर, बट देन आई वाज लाइक कोई बात नहीं, ऐसे ही सीखेगी, करने दो. सो आई गेव हर सम टफ लव देयर, एंड yeah, the song has come out really beautiful, and Ash has given such a beautiful voice to it.
Thank you very much.
Ash.
Thank you.
It's
Firstly, a
sounding
big
so good.
congratulations for your the hit song, and one more song is coming up. Tell us something about how excited you were and what kind of response that you are looking forward from this song.
तो पहले मेरा हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है, फिर भी मैं कोशिश करूँगा.
गाना तो इतना अच्छा गाया तुमने यार.
Yes.
तो जब the first time जब मैंने स्टूडियो में गया and I heard the song, मुझे मेरा एक्सपेक्टेशन था मीट ब्रदर्स, सो बिग पार्टी, बिग मतलब एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट, यू नो, डांस सॉन्ग, एंड
Like a baby doll और चिटिया का लगा.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. तो देन आई हर्ड द सॉन्ग जवा तूफान एंड दे सेड लुक ऐश, वी आर, हमारे पास एक नया लेबल है, वी हैव अ न्यू कंपोजर विद न्यू राइटर्स, एंड कुछ नया चीज़ निकल रहा है फ्रॉम द मीट ब्रदर्स कैंप. सो मैं गाना सुना, आई वाज लाइक ओके दिस इज़ डिफरेंट, पर मैं कैसे गा सकता हूँ ये गाना, बिकॉज मेरे गाने लाइक लिस्ट में ये टाइप का गाना नहीं है. सो स्पेशली लाइक दिस, सो ये थोड़ा मेरे लिए इट्स वेरी इंटेंस रोमांटिक, young intense romantic song. So anyway, कोशिश किया, I recorded the song, then they said हाँ we like this but एक और बार गा दो, and I was like okay then. तो मैं एक और बार गा लिया in Kolkata this time, and somehow we are here today with the song. And अभी मैंने this is the first time I've seen the video, first time I've met.
The first time we've
these two
seen the
lovely
video
young
today, and we are all
actors.
so happy to see it.
And these guys did a great job on the video. I know it's so tough. Like Shimla must have been very. यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड है मेरे लिए. So Shimla must have been really
It
cold.
was really
Yeah.
dippy.
Like
really
so.
cool.
So yeah, really nice video, really nice vibes, and I hope सबको पसंद आया गाना. And yeah, check the song out on YouTube. Share the song and make reels on the song.
निशान, आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि जो लास्ट सॉन्ग था वो भी आपका ही था और ये सॉन्ग भी आपका ही है. कई हद तक लगता है कि मीत ब्रदर्स के लक फैक्टर आप बन रहे हो.
लक का तो पता नहीं, बट मेरे लिए लक फैक्टर बन गया दैट मीट ब्रदर्स हैव, यू नो, done 2 songs with me, and like I said, मेरा पहला गाना जब आया था सर के साथ, भाइयों के साथ, for me it was a level up in my career.
Yes.
So this second song is another level up for me. So thank you so much. Thank you. Really dil se thank you.
Nishant and Yashita, if you can tell us about the location where it was being shoot or the entire song.
We were shooting in Shimla, and it was really cold, a very beautiful weather, but in a way, and the locations were really really pretty, है ना?
Yeah, it's really
जो
seen
कॉटेज
from-
में हमने शूट किया है, जो आप देख रहे हैं स्टार्टिंग में, दैट कॉटेज इज सो ब्यूटीफुल कि हम, मुझे लगता है कि इस गाने में भी हम जस्टिफाई नहीं कर सके कि वो इतना ब्यूटीफुल है कॉटेज.
रियल लाइफ में तो वो बहुत ही सुंदर था.
If you talk about the scene, then the scenes were also of a shooting only. So it if you can relate yourself with the song theme where you are on a shoot and there you got a chemistry with your co-actor or co-actors.
Yeah, but in this video, what you've seen is that Yashita has cracked a deal and she's got a chance to debut with Meet Brothers in their music video. And I am just somebody who's really happy for her. Like I have a lot of love for her, which I have not told her. मैंने बताया नहीं कि मैं प्यार करता हूँ इससे. But I'm just happy to see her grow in life. And in the end, she realizes कि okay, he loves me so much that he only wants the best for me, and that's why she loves me back.
And Yashita, it's your debut, and how you got this song? Tell us something about it.
Yeah, so basically the journey was कि audition दो
Yes.
and then somehow I got in contact कि मतलब Meet Brothers एक गाना ऐसे बनाना चाहते हैं, वीडियो बनाना चाहते हैं. So that was through sources and stuff. मुझे ऐसा पता चला, and that's when I started knocking their doors कि भाई देख लो, audition ले लो. So then yeah, couple of times I met them. I met Rajiv sir and I met many people in their office as well. And then through talking and through auditions, they analyzed me, they saw my talent, and that's how I reached out.
Ash, can you sing few lines from the song?
Sure. जवां तूफान में तेरा मिलने आना, झुकी आँखों से तेरा शर्माना, यूं तो कुछ ना भुला पाया हूँ लेकिन something like that.
Oh yeah, don't stop.
You'll have to hear the rest of this.
Don't stop.
But my favorite part, वो ये गाने का favorite part मैंने, ये पगला दिल कहीं लगता नहीं जब से मिला है तू, कि मेरी बंजारगी आवारगी का एक ठिकाना तू हो, जवा तूफान में तेरा भीग जाना.
Really nice.
दो पार्ट नहीं है गाने में, I just added.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Thank you so much for all your questions.